People, don't you understand? Something's happening. You're gonna be that real man someday. Take a look at you and me. I'll be too blind to see. You may still turn our head. And 100 little boys in a lonely nose playing in the streets and the cold wind blows in the ghetto. In the ghetto. And look up with that. Look at the kitty. So small. So small.
Alright guys, that last clip, that was from my Saturday night at the bar. They were having some kind of celebration. Of course, you saw the entertainment. That guy's got a voice, man. He's got a good voice, and he was into it. He told me afterwards he'd been on Cambodian TV 4 times already, because that's what he does for a living. He's an entertainer. I call him Cambodian Elvis. Hey, how you doing? But he's actually not from Cambodia. He's actually an Indian from India, but grew up in Wales in the UK, and now he's over here in Cambodia singing American songs from Elvis Presley. So you got a whole cultural array in that one gentleman. But anyway, in case you're wondering, I was waiting for a second to finish up some purchases here. We're at Psar Leu market. We stopped in and got some food at a little sit-down stall here. Big old bowl of noodles. We had neglected for the last couple days to go back to the market, so ran out of some essential things like meat and vegetables. So we're here now remedying that situation. As you can see, it's always a bustling place full of good stuff. And as always, I get in the way. So let's go outside here while I'm waiting for things to. You can see the sausages. Love the sausages. As you can see, people and motorbikes everywhere, and this place is kind of narrow. Again, I caution you, if you come here, just to be careful, because you will get clipped. I'm gonna get out of the way here. Yeah, we got some so far meat, bananas, and she's got a bag of something, vegetables, noodles. If you remember the last time I was here, I mistakenly decided to try to walk home in a way I've never gone before. That wound up to be a huge mistake. It was nothing but hot, dusty, and miserable the whole way home. Nothing important to see. I didn't record anything. Wound up down on a road that had nothing but factories or places where they build furniture, homemade furniture. The road was dusty. Every time a car or a bike went by, it was just a dust storm. The sun had come out, so it was no shade, and the whole area smelled like sawdust and paint. It was pretty miserable. But anyway, we made it home, but it took a long time. I was pretty sore and tired by the time we got back. But this time, no problem, no such issue. I have my tuk-tuk driver on WhatsApp. And he'll be here 5 minutes after I call him to pick us up. So Seng's done with her. Nope, she's not done with her purchases. Looks like some fresh herbs there she's gonna get in a little bag. We were gonna go to the old market, but I decided to take a tuk-tuk down here, tuk-tuk back. Save us a walk across the bridge. You can see the chaos. It's a controlled chaos. People here seem to know it, exactly what they're doing. I don't, of course. Which is why I'm extra careful. But anyway, if you remember a while ago, I did a whole long video just down here walking along, and I try not to include the same things too much in my videos, but I always find this place fascinating. Look at that, you can get whole chickens. Look at all that rice. That is a lot of rice. And the little food stand right there if you're hungry. Already prepared food. Get yourself a snack. Get yourself some of whatever that is over there. You can even buy a broom and a mop. And a fresh chicken. All within feet from each other. It's a beautiful thing. Talk to you guys later. And we're just taking a tuk-tuk ride back home. You can see we got a pretty good haul. We got rice, we got noodles, we got bananas, we got meat, we got veggies, we got everything. Herbs and spices. Like I said, I like going to the old market because it's close, it's convenient, and it is really cheap. But if you get the chance, go to Psar Leu. There's more of a variety of vendors, and it's a little bit cheaper, just a little bit. Of course, it is a ways away from where I live, so getting there and back, you either have to walk down this hot street with no shade, or take a tuk-tuk. And that is how you get around. Yeah. I'm so glad we went to the market earlier today. Wow. Some thunder. A lot of rain. And so far, somebody asked for if I can get a little lightning show when it storms. I will try to do that. But so far, there's been no lightning. Just thunder and a whole lot of rain. But that breeze is very refreshing. And I am ensconced inside my apartment. Woo! Oh boy. Yeah, that's some rain. There's Sang. Look at this spreadsheet just made of stuff we picked up at the market. I don't know what it is, but it's delicious, trust me. I believe this right here is tofu. We would call it tofu. I never knew tofu could taste so good. I was like, man, that is good. And then we got some cucumbers and Mika Hawk?
Yeah.
Oh, Cambodian cheese.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've heard about that stuff. Believe it or not, that stuff there. I haven't tried that yet. But there's a video online. I'll try to find it and link it of a guy going to Cambodia and seeing what it looks like before it's prepared. And it does not look very appealing. They call it Cambodian cheese, but it's not actually cheese. I'll try to see if I can find the video and link it sometime. But anyway, I'm going to go back in and eat. I just wanted to interrupt my meal for a second to show you that. See ya. 2 minutes later. I can't even hear myself out here. Wow. Oh. I do love a good storm. I feel sorry for that Tuk Tuk guy right there. He's undercover, he's in his hammock, but still. Woo! Woo! All right, guys, we weathered the storm inside. While it was happening, it was very, very nice. Very, very nice breeze. Rain was coming in through the kitchen window pretty good because that's the way it was blowing. But still, I wasn't complaining. Felt good. Of course, now that it stopped, it's going to be a little bit humid. Very wet. A lot of moisture. But that's okay. It is coming up on the rainy season here. Some people call it the monsoon season because you will get those. Mainly it rains every day for like a couple, 3 months. Usually more than once a day, but here's the thing, it rains and then it goes away for a couple hours. And then it'll rain again for a little bit and it'll go away. So it's not like it's a non-stop, you can never go outside kind of deal. And because it's so hot, a lot of times it'll rain, but within a couple hours it's all dry again. So it's not like it's all wet and rainy all day every day. Just rains more than usual. But right now it's not too bad. Pretty nice night for a walk. I guess this is pretty dark though, so I'll wait till I get in a better lit area to continue.